Welcome to Casetas de Jardin 24, one of Spain's leading experts in wooden buildings. We design, produce, deliver, and assemble high-quality garden rooms, holiday cottages, garden offices, classrooms and conference rooms, storage sheds, garages, saunas, and even large log cabins. Our factory boasts over 20 years of experience and is equipped with the latest wood processing technologies. All our products are made from the finest carefully selected Nordic spruce that is sourced from well-managed forests. This allows us to produce and deliver wooden structures of the highest quality that will stand the test of time. Our products are designed for long-term use, yet they are also environmentally friendly and competitively priced. Before placing your order, feel free to visit our showroom, where our team will gladly show you the different models and features to assist you in selecting the garden house that best suits your needs. The showroom is conveniently located for people living on the Costa del Sol. Residents of Marbella, Estepona, Cancelada, Benahavis, and Fuengirola can reach us in just 30 minutes by car. A drive from Málaga, Torremolinos, and Benalmádena should take no more than an hour. Before our products leave the factory, all components are carefully packed on custom-made pallets and wrapped in weatherproof film. We deliver our cabins on trucks equipped with cranes, allowing us to unload all components at your chosen delivery point quickly and safely. These vehicles are capable of craning the packs over garden walls and hedges if that is required, and the truck operator will always try to place the packs as near to your desired location as possible. Our wooden buildings and cabins can be easily assembled by our customers, as all models come with detailed construction plans and assembly instructions, with each wall component carefully labeled. If you prefer not to do the assembly yourself, then don't worry, as you can simply select to use our professional assembly team. We deliver cabins and offer our assembly service nationwide. We also offer a range of product options that are priced on each product page and can be added to your order. These options include high-quality roof covering materials from Finland, easy-to-install roof and floor insulation kits, environmentally friendly wood preservative and paints manufactured in Germany, and guttering kits. In our webshop, you will find over 200 garden building designs, numerous holiday home models, sheds, saunas, garages, log cabins, barbecue huts, and much more. We also offer a fully bespoke design and manufacture option and can of course make bespoke changes to any of our standard models. To discuss a bespoke design quote or modification, simply fill out the online form, email or call us with your thoughts. Placing an order is simple, secure, and takes only a few minutes. Orders can be placed directly on the website or by calling us. If you are looking for high-quality wooden buildings from a reliable supplier, you can count on the professional team at Casetas de Jardin 24.